Hello and welcome. My name is Chad Whitko, and I'm a specialist in avian biology for the National Audubon Society's Migratory Bird Initiative. In this third and final video contributed to this how-to video series, I'll introduce you to the project partners featured in the Southern Wings online guide. These partners play a vital role in protecting migratory birds by supporting conservation efforts across the hemisphere. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out the previous two videos where we covered focal migratory species, single and multi-species connection maps, and conservation challenges that are available in the Southern Wings online guide. Let's dive into this quick video. The Project Partners table embedded on the bottom of each state page highlights Southern Wings partner organizations that are working in countries connected to the state of choice through its multi-species connections map powered by the Bird Migration Explorer. In this example, to help with continuity of the other two videos, we are once again on the state page for Washington. It's important to note that partner data were gathered through a survey to collaborators of American Bird Conservancy, Audubon, Cornell Lab of Ornithology, Georgetown University, Southern Wings, and BirdLife International, America's partners. When exploring the Project Partner section of the Southern Wings online guide, you'll find an embedded Airtable displaying partner organizations working in countries connected to your state of choice through its multi-species connections map. The table is fully customizable, allowing users to hide fields, filter, group, and sort data. You can scroll down to view the full list of organizations included, or scroll across to explore various fields, including organizational details, countries, species groups, habitats, threats, conservation actions, and of course, Southern Wings projects, links, partners, and notes. For added flexibility, you can download the table as a CSV file, or if you choose, expand it for a larger view as shown here. Going back to the main embedded table, we'll use the countries and species fields to demonstrate sorting alphabetically and filtering for information of choice. Here in countries, we can see that we can sort alphabetically or by filtering to a country of choice, in this case, Mexico. Moving to the species groups field, we see the added flexibility by being able to sort and filter based on the taxa of choice. In this example, we see that we can filter down to organizations working with shorebirds and waterbirds in the country of Mexico that are connected to the state of Washington. This interactive table makes exploring and connecting with conservation partners working across the hemisphere easy. Be sure to check out our other two how-to videos highlighting multi-species connections and single species connections along with conservation challenges. Thank you for watching.